If I could choose one thing to do every single day here at Headlight Revolution, it would be playing in the woods with four-wheelers like we have been today. I've got a Can-Am Outlander 570 next to me, and this thing desperately needs some better forward lighting. Today, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to outfit it with the best products on the market, and I'm going to show you guys how much better they are compared to stock. Now, the bulb we're installing today in this particular four-wheeler is the GTR Lighting CSP Mini bulb. It's a very unique bulb in that it doesn't use an external fan, it doesn't have any external wiring, and that's extremely important. This particular four-wheeler has a very small headlight with a very unique mounting collar. This is the only bulb out of our entire collection that even worked in it. So, if you're looking for headlights for this particular machine, this is the best bulb you could choose. Now, if you crouch down by the side of your four-wheeler, you can reach underneath the fender and you're gonna see the dust cover for your headlight bulb. If you pull this dust cover toward you, you'll expose the wiring underneath, and you can pull it toward you just like this to release the wiring from the bulb itself. Now, I want you guys to take note of how little space there is here. You could not fit a large LED bulb with a fan or an external driver in this headlight and have it seal properly with this dust cover. Sealing is so important on these things. As you can probably imagine, giant mud tires, going off-road with a four-wheeler like this, if you had anything else in here without the dust cover, you're gonna pack your headlight full of mud, full of water, full of debris, and it's not gonna look good. Go ahead and twist this collar counterclockwise and pull the collar toward you, and you're gonna see your factory halogen bulb. Remove it from the collar just like that. And I will say this, the GTR Lighting CSP Mini bulb is a tight fit in this collar, but it does fit just fine. Line up the tabs and press it in. This is what it should look like when you're done. Now, just for a visual, as you can see, we've still got those 3 pins coming off of the back, no external driver, no additional wiring. This is a very easy upgrade for your Can-Am. Align the grooves, lock the collar in place, plug in your factory wiring, reinstall your dust cover over that plastic mounting ring, and from the factory they use a zip tie to secure this. You can slide the zip tie right back on. As you can see, you'd never know we were here. This thing looks exactly like it did from the factory. We're not going to get any water in there, and our four-wheeler is now going to be so much brighter at night. If you follow the instructions I just showed you guys, you'll never have to skip a ride because it's getting dark early ever again. Now, if you have any other machines at home, if you've got a lawnmower and you find yourself mowing the lawn at night, if you've got a side-by-side, if your friends have anything like that, we're doing a ton of videos on side-by-sides, UTVs, ATVs, and I don't want you guys to miss them. Click subscribe below, visit the website headlightrevolution.com. We'd love to help you guys out on your next off-road adventure.